Hello, God bless you. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. God bless you in the name of Jesus. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. If you've not clicked subscribe button, please kindly click that now. So I want to show you this today in the key of C. A dropped movement you can use to 5, or when the pastor is preaching. All right. Okay, so the chord goes like this. So we have a F major 7, right? So, but let me just call the numbers. Okay, so in our key, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So we have a, so on our right, I have a, this chord is actually supposed to be 3, 4, 6, and 1. But now we are doing the drop 2. You know the drop 2, right? You drop the 2. That's the note here. So now we have a 6 on the left, 3, 4, 1 on right. Next chord, 1 on the left, 5, 6, and 3 on the right. Then 7 on the left, 5, 6, and 2. Okay. So the next chord, we have 5 on the left, and then we have a 2, 3, and 7, right? 2, 3, and 7. So, right? Yeah, so it goes back. Oh, so it goes back to this chord, but I'm coming. All right. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, then to this chord. So we have the next chord is 4 on the left, 1, 2, and 6 on the right. Then to this, you can write, you can watch again. Don't forget, it's not a movie. It's not a movie, rather. So don't give me that vibes like, so come on, you should write. What happened to your pen and biro? Pause, write, watch and pause and write. This is it's a tutorial, not a movie that you just watch and you're just watching and you're picking everything like that. All right, so don't forget that. Right, so if you need to write, please do write. You can watch as many times as possible. This video is free, right? Nobody will hold you for watching it 2 times or 3 times. I mean, nobody. So next chord, we have a 3 on the left, we have a 7, 1, and 5. So together, look at it. You have it already. Right, 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 right. So you can do. So 1 on the left, 5, 6, 3 on the right, then 7 on the left, 5, 6, 2 on the right. So together we have a slowly. You can do, and then you can do the arpeggio. So it goes 1. Sorry, let's go from here. It goes 1. The arpeggio goes 1 with this finger. You can see my finger. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 1. So let me go. So you can see that I have a video on arpeggios if you want to learn that. So If you want a video on arpeggio, I have a video on that. I did a video on that. You can check that on the channel. And if you can't find it, just tell me in the comment section. I'll just do that for you. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. God bless you.